Hello guys, today I will write my first program in Arduino. My first program is LED blinking. I will write code for a blinking LED. Before writing code, first of all try to understand that what is void setup and what is void loop. Okay, in void setup is a function in which we define instructions which we want to execute only one time. Okay, and in void loop we write main body of the code. Okay, in void setup we declare basically our inputs, our outputs. So today is our first program, LED blinking. So I will declare my 11th pin of Arduino as output. Okay, for declaring input and output we use pin mode. Pin mode. Okay, in Arduino instructions are case sensitive. So you okay, so 11 pin is for output. Okay. Okay, now in void loop I will use instruction digital write. Digital write is used whenever we want to display output. We use digital write, and for input we use digital read. Okay, so we are not taking any input, we are just displaying our output. That's why we will use a digital write. Okay, so our pin number 11 is high. Okay, so after writing this instruction, the Arduino will give output high to pin number 11. Okay, then we will give some delay, microsecond. I think 1000 is enough. Then digital write, pin number 11 is again declared as low. Okay, now again I will give a delay. Okay, so here it is, our program is complete. Now let's compile it. I hope it will run properly. Oh yes, done compiling. Okay, after that just go to sketch, click on export compiled binary, then it will produce a hex file, and a hex file is normally used in simulation, which is used in Proteus. Okay, so compiling is also done. Now go to Proteus. I have already draw a circuit. Okay, now just right click on Arduino. Okay, first of all you can add devices whatever you want to use. Just write on P, pick device. If you want to take some LEDs or transistors or resistors, let's say I want to take button, I will write it okay, and push button, just select it, and now button is here. Okay, okay. Coming back to the program, right click on Arduino, go to edit properties, there program file, open it, mm, select hex file. Okay, now run the program. First go to debug, start VSM debugging. Okay, VSM debugging is done. Now go to program. Okay, now see LED is blinking, or code is working properly, but LED is blinking so fast. Now I am going back to the code, and I will give it more delay of 5000 microseconds. Okay, now again compile it. Done compiling, then again go to sketch, export compiled binary to get hex file. Okay, done compiling. Now go to Proteus again, stop it, right click on Arduino, go to edit properties, go to program file. Okay, now select hex file. Okay, start debugging. Now start the program. Okay, now our LED is blinking slowly. So today that's our program, and it's working fine. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you have any problem, write it in comments. Thanks a lot.